The stock market is hitting all-time highs, yet the average student remains trapped in a cycle of financial scarcity. Relying on a minimum wage job legally caps your earning potential. Because human hours are strictly limited, your income is tied to a clock you cannot beat. This graph illustrates two paths. The flat line represents the traditional trade of time for money. The exponential curve represents using AI to decouple income from physical presence. Deploy zero-investment AI tools to generate $10,000, redirected into traditional markets. In 2026, the primary barrier to wealth is no longer a lack of startup capital. It is a lack of knowledge regarding digital leverage. A digital asset is a product that requires zero inventory, is built once, and can be sold infinitely. Tools like Google's NotebookLM now allow you to bypass the manual labor of research and drafting. This schematic shows how information is processed. Raw URLs and PDFs feed into the AI node, instantly outputting study guides, books, and podcast scripts. These upload to Amazon KDP or YouTube, capturing organic sales without human intervention, turning free data into a margin-heavy revenue stream. This engine eliminates production overhead entirely, allowing a single creator to scale a business that would have previously required a full research department. You can also exploit market inefficiencies through arbitrage, the practice of connecting high-paying clients with zero-cost AI execution. Students can secure premium freelance contracts for complex tasks like SEO analysis or copywriting, despite lacking traditional technical skills. Large language models complete the client's work in seconds, allowing you to capture the full profit margin as a facilitator. This same logic applies to physical goods. AI dropshipping allows you to sell products without ever purchasing or storing inventory. Traditional retail drains capital into warehouses and storefronts. AI dropshipping bypasses those costs, moving products directly from manufacturer to customer. An AI node cycles through ad variations, automatically selecting designs that cause conversion rates to tick steadily upward. Whether you use digital assets, arbitrage, or dropshipping, the sole objective of these engines is to assemble your first $10,000 in profit. The first $10,000 presents a psychological trap. It is tempting to spend that seed capital on liabilities like cars or clothes that lose value over time. The final phase of the blueprint is to secure your financial base by moving that money into broad market index funds or AI infrastructure stocks. This area chart plots a $10,000 principal over 40 years. At an 8% return, growth reaches this sharp, exponential hockey stick curve. This shifts the income burden to the market. Market capital replaces human effort, buying you out of the labor equation. True financial freedom is not achieved by operating a side hustle forever.